Okay, I'm back.
Okay, go fast.
Oh wait.
E.
Oh, E. Okay. Ah.
Okay. God, easy.
There we go. Nice.
Easy.
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 It was just me, or did it just get easier?
Too easy.
What the hell is that? The warehouse should be just ahead.
Gigantic drill?
We better find a way to move.
I think I sneeze smallly because my dad sneezed very huge and used to jump scare me. So I was like, I don't want to do that to anyone else. So I've learned to sneeze dainty.
I used to be so loud. When I was like a kid and I sneezed, it would like just ring through the whole cafeteria.
Achoo!
Achoo! And we're just like, holy... Oh, sorry.